5:03 this morning in national news. The debate over vaccines escalated yesterday, with Florida now vying to become the first state to terminate all vaccine mandates. This comes as Secretary of Health and Human Services and longtime vaccine skeptic Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is set to testify before the Senate Finance Committee today. The hearing to discuss the Trump administration's health policy has been on the schedule for some time, but now he's expected to be grilled by lawmakers over growing calls for his dismissal amid the removal of a top CDC official. Jared Hill has more.
Today, a Republican-led Senate committee addressing new concerns about Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. as more than 1,000 current and former HHS employees demand his resignation or removal.
There's serious allegations.
In a letter, they say the country's top health official is endangering the nation's health by spreading inaccurate health information. Senator Bill Cassidy, a doctor and a member of today's panel.
I'm not presupposing anybody's right or wrong. We got to get to the bottom of it.
The hearing comes a week after the Trump administration fired former CDC Director Susan Menares, sparking the resignation of several other top officials. The White House and RFK Jr. have defended the move.
There's a lot of trouble at CDC, and it's going to require getting rid of some people over the long term in order for us to change the institutional culture.
At the heart of the turmoil, vaccine policy. Last week, the FDA limited new COVID-19 shots to people over 65 or with certain pre-existing conditions. Wednesday, Democratic governors of California, Oregon, and Washington state announced a health alliance to preserve vaccine access. But in Florida, the state's Surgeon General announced efforts to eliminate all vaccine mandates.
What you put into your body is because of your relationship with your body and your God.
Critics call the decision reckless and dangerous.
Florida's vaccine announcement comes as the state's governor says it's also forming a new commission aligned with the Trump administration's health goals that he says will come with a new medical freedom package for the state legislature to consider.